If you're still using the quadratic formula in your A-level exams, then you're wasting a lot of time. So in this video, we are going to look at how to solve any quadratic equation in seconds using your calculator. So here we have a quadratic equation 4x squared plus 5x minus 10. So we can first identify the A term, which is 4, the B term, which is 5, and the C term, which is negative 10. And we can now use the quadratic solver on the calculator to solve this. So if we first go to menu, we can then go to equation. We can then select 2 for polynomial, and we can select 2 again because this is a quadratic equation. And we can now input the A term, which is 4, the B term, which is 5, and the C term, which is minus 10. And that gives us a final answer of minus 5 plus root 185 over 8. And if we want that value as a decimal, we can just press the SD button, and that gives us the answer as a decimal of 1.08 as a decimal. We can then press the equal button again to get the second value, which is minus 5 minus root 185 over 8. And if we want that as a decimal as well, we can press the SD button, and that gives us an answer of minus 2.33. And this works for any quadratic equation that you'll see in your A-level exams. So make sure you maximize your marks by saving time.